Hi, I'm Leander from the Encord product team. Recent advancements in computer vision, physical AI, and hardware capabilities have transformed what robots can do. From warehouse automation to surgical assistance to agricultural monitoring, so on and so forth. However, behind this revolution is a crucial piece often overlooked: the data that powers it all. With that, we've been seeing AI robotics teams face three major challenges. First, AI models for robots require massive amounts of data, and teams struggle to curate subsets of that data to accurately train their robotics models. On a similar vein, annotators need quick and accurate ways to annotate those subsets of data. And lastly, teams need a way to prepare broad enough sets of robot instructions and corresponding vision language action datasets. This is where Encord comes in. Let's now jump into the tool, and I'll show you some of the ways that Encord can help teams overcome these key challenges. For challenge number one, curating the right data. Encord gives us the ability to navigate millions of data units and curate subsets of that data to strengthen the quality of the resulting models in a warehouse situation, for example. That could include moving objects, scanning, depalletization, all while navigating blocked pathways. In this single video example, content can be explored via a carousel-style interface. At the bottom, uniqueness over time is displayed using embedding distributions that compare frames to identify distinctive moments. And this can be particularly valuable for surveillance footage, for example, with extended periods of inactivity that are punctuated by significant changes. So let's say somebody or a forklift enters the scene all of a sudden. The tool helps us identify key moments in lengthy videos by highlighting these changes. And when jumping to the most unique point like this, we can see somebody interacting with machinery, which is a critical moment for employee safety monitoring. You can also imagine that an annotator isn't going to want to sift through hours of video footage where there's copious amounts of inactivity. This tool lets us eliminate those. For challenge number two, once we have the right data, annotation teams need ways to quickly and accurately annotate that data. Let me show you some of the ways that Encord helps us do that. For example, here we've got a robot trying to complete domestic tasks within a home. So I can draw things like rotatable bounding boxes for orientation-aware applications like this. I can draw polygons and polyline annotations for precise boundary definition. So if I need to annotate a pillow with a bunch of different ruffles in it, for example. Now, if I need to speed up my workflow as an annotator, I can use a tool like SAM2, where in just a few clicks, like so, I can identify a complex segmentation, and I can even track that across video frames. As we can imagine, this can greatly speed up annotation workflow, and we're just scratching the surface. In addition to letting annotators work faster, Encord lets annotators create labels in full context of a robot's given environment. For example, here's a scene of our robot shot from 3 different angles. I can annotate all of these simultaneously, which gives our model a comprehensive spatial understanding. For challenge number 3, a lot of conversations that we're having recently revolve around AI teams really struggling to produce comprehensive VLA datasets. Encord lets us do this with both speed and ease. For example, let's say I start off with one set of instructions here that are pre-annotated. I can use a chain of Encord data agents that connect me to a LLM and quickly produce several alternative sets of instructions based off of this first pre-labeled set. This is key to ensure that our robot will understand any variation of prompts that it might be given. Data agents are an especially powerful tool for teams looking to leverage the latest foundational models like Curating and Gemini Robot. With Encord agents, I can automatically format my datasets to get them into compatible format to be used with these foundational models. In summary, we've covered how Encord helps teams curate the right data, annotate with accuracy and speed, and overcome challenges like procuring VLA datasets using powerful tools like data agents. The future of physical AI is being built with quality data. And the future of quality data is being built with Encord. We're proud to be supporting the robotics revolution at Encord across multiple industries. If you're interested in elevating your robotics AI capabilities, reach out to us for a personalized demo at encord.com.